6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
We are here tonight to listen to a proposition for all staff to change EY. We have a jury, top partners, we're general manager also, and together we are voting for the best project. And we received 257 submissions. It means that it attracts a lot of those young people, a lot of people from EY. If you recruit great people, those great people, they work daily and they see what can be improved. It's absolutely key to give them a word, to listen to them.
Very happy and also very relieved because I was a little bit, not scared, but anxious to go on stage and try to remember the lines. But now it all fell off, and it's even a bigger relief that I know that I won. The next steps are brainstorming, involving other teams, people from the factory, and I'm really excited to just bring it to the outside world.
Keep making suggestions. We want to make EY better, we want to make EY smarter, so keep giving us suggestions about how to improve EY.